Guys idol, pag-usapan natin yung tinatawag na jurisdiction over the person of the accused. Ano ito? Ito po ay isang kapangyarihan, power to hear, to determine, to decide the case if the accused is brought before the court either una, by virtue of arrest. Pangalawa, by his or her voluntary submission. Ulitin ko po, magkakaroon lang ng isang jurisdiction ang korte kung yung accused, person of the accused, is inaristo ng ating mga kapulisan, dinala sa kulungan at dinala sa korte for trial. Pangalawa, kung hindi man siya inaristo, that the accused should voluntarily submitting himself or herself to surrender. Ang tanong, bakit? Kasi kung ang isang korte kung saan nangyari yung krimen ay wala pong jurisdiction over the person of the accused, especially kung yung akusado na yan is nagtatago, he or she still at large. So para magkaroon ng jurisdiction, kailangan hulihin siya, arestuhin ng pulis, or kung hindi man, kailangan the accused is voluntarily submitting himself or herself to surrender.